Today we're going to be discussing the future of AI and what will an AI-led workplace look like. I think it's really important to share some numbers to put context. We're about $500 billion contribution to economy, just AI alone. AI grew at a CAGR of 37.6%. In India, it grew at about 33%, which means that for the first time, we're looking at an AI revolution that's unfolding at the same place, at the same time, across the world, as well as in India. This is a unique opportunity for students, researchers, teachers, professionals to not be afraid, to not be threatened with AI. It is very, very important that we see this as an enabler. We see this as an ability to enhance critical thinking, cognitive learning, to ensure that you're engaging with technology to usher Industrial Revolution 4.0. The World Economic Forum report talks about not just marketing skills or digital things, but also the ability to synthesize new mediums of learning. So whether you're a student of sociology, whether you're a student of sports management, whether you're a student of AI, this is technology that's based on large language transmission learning models. Look at it from the point of view of a great data set, which is allowing you to feed off whatever exists, whatever's fed in, but it's making life easy. Supposing you wanted to go from place A to B, this helps you get there faster. It does not mean that you're going to be looking at job losses in huge numbers, but what you'll be able to solve for is, supposing you wanted to code and create a green box on a web page, instead of 72 hours of coding, you'll be able to do it in 3 hours. And which means that whether it's debugging codes, whether it is looking at the future of technology, the ability to think and synthesize new learning is at the core of the AI revolution. And I'm really happy to see that Indian academic institutions, corporates, as well as the government is embracing AI as a tool. And when you look at global scenarios, both the US and China and all other countries are very, very serious about the future of AI. So the government of India is doing two things which are truly amazing. There's a digital stack which the world is now adopting, and it's also looking at local language content, addressing the promise that from accessibility, bringing new users online, you will also create a universe with local language content that will ensure that the internet remains free, open, secure, and enabling. Lastly, I think we're having this conversation at the Jio Institute. I would be failing in my duty to compliment the amazing institution of learning that Mr. Mukesh and Mrs. Neeta Ambani have built. This is such a proud moment for all of us in India to look at the contribution to culture, new learning, innovative courses in AI, sports management, digital media, and I hear that we'll also be looking at a journalism program. I've just visited the entire campus spread across, which has been developed to the extent of 26 acres, spread across 50 acres, beautiful expanse of green, amazing faculty, a very vibrant set of students who come from very, very diverse backgrounds. I've just had the honor to meet with them, and I'm truly looking forward to very bright, young, promising minds emerging out of the Jio Institute. So my best wishes to both faculty and students. Thank you so much again for having me here.
Good morning. It's definitely a pleasure to be here at Jio Institute and knowing here, getting a warm welcome from the faculty members and even students was definitely a good thing and a good feeling for us. As I just walked through the corridor and the entire campus, it's huge. The facilities are so good and relevant to the students. The courses on AI and data science is definitely something which is needed in the market as well. I would say definitely even from the corporate side, when we work with the academia, that's where we do have a collaboration as well, and knowing that there is a specific course on AI and DS apart from the sports as well is definitely good to know. I would say from the topic, we have the business conclave here, the embracing the AI disruption and the skill sets to be more demand in maybe changing workplace. I would say the workplace is getting, there was a time when a workplace was there in sitting in office, and now people are working in remote as well. So the idea of the workplace is getting shifted from the cubicle, maybe a physical seat, to any place, anywhere where you can just have a network attached and you can work. So that's a change in the shift of the workplace. But at the same time, there are disruptions coming in the market where AI can infuse a multiple disruption, and in a way that you can use that AI and technologies as well to augment your skills, to enhance your outcome. And what I would say is always use or see AI as your a support, I would say a co-worker working with you to augment the intelligence with you, because the creative thinking will be with you, the designing, the more adaptability will be anyway overpowering the machine. So there would be jobs to be displaced, but then the end of the concentration should be saying what are the new skills to be there, what are new skills we should be learning to get maximum out of the AI tools and technology, so that we augment ourselves. So maybe I think there are multiple experience and esteemed panels also coming today. I'm looking forward to a great discussion and maybe uncover some facts, and would like to even hear from students what they want to hear and what are their feedbacks, what are the questions. So looking forward to a discussion today. Thank you.
First and foremost, thank you for inviting me in Jio Institute. It is really an enriching experience to be here and interact with students, academia. Really the first thing which caught my attention is the courses, whether it is AI and data sciences, whether it is digital marketing or the sports management course, that has been specifically curated for the industry need and the need for the future. And there lies the Jio advantage. When I am interacting with the students or academia, they are so, deeply kind of integrated with what's happening at the forefront of the industry. What is the trend? So that is what it is kind of I will say the advantage of this course. Anyone from the industry would be quite keen to partner, quite keen to explore the opportunity for the partnership with the institutes and the academia and the students, the vibrant student community which Jio Institute has here. As far as today's content is concerned, AI is something which is one of the most disruptive technology we have seen in the recent past. It is here to be there, and it is impacting, at least in my industry, which is life insurance, in multiple ways, in a positive way, whether it is a better risk management, better risk pricing, and improving the efficiency by handling large volume of data, enabling companies to take right decision, and most importantly, enhance customer experience. So here institutes like this would help us, not only a company from India, also the country itself, to leapfrog in this kind of a technology milieu in the years to come. All the best to the Jio Institute, and expecting some marvelous achievement from this in future as well. Thank you.